You want to build your email list fast, and lead magnets are a great way to do that. The thing about lead magnets, though, is that before they can bring in more subscribers, you have to create them. And like most entrepreneurs, you already don't have enough hours in the day to get everything done, let alone create a valuable, high-converting lead magnet. Or do you? What if you could whip up a lead magnet in less time than it takes to watch a full-length movie? In this video, we'll cover what makes a lead magnet effective and share 5 lead magnet examples that you can create in 90 minutes or less. The best lead magnets do 3 things: address your target audience's specific pain points, prove your credibility as an expert in your niche, and make people want to learn more about you and your business. For example, let's look at Ryan's site, Signature Edits, where he sells presets, templates, and online courses for photographers. Different photographers struggle with different pain points, so Ryan offers 2 types of lead magnets: a free guide to candid posing and a free sample pack of photo editing presets. Ryan's lead magnets address specific pain points many photographers experience. They showcase Ryan's expertise, and they hint at other valuable insights Ryan might have to offer through his business. All of that combined with being packaged as products that are super relevant to his target audience, Ryan's lead magnets are irresistible. Now it's time to put what we've just learned about making a great lead magnet into action. Here are 5 ways you can create a lead magnet in 90 minutes or less. Lead magnet idea number 1. Turn a blog post into a downloadable ebook. Your existing long-form blog posts are great candidates for ebook-style PDFs. You can also take a series of related blog posts and combine them into a single PDF version. You can also make your ebook even more engaging with some visuals to break up the text using a free web-based design tool like Canva or Venngage. If you want to make it super easy on yourself, use our digital download generator. We built it for folks who need a high-quality digital download fast. Just go to podia.com/digital-download-generator, answer a few questions, and we'll send you a ready-to-go PDF. Lead magnet idea number 2. Create a checklist based on your own processes. Getting started is the hardest part of any new project. Many people, your target audience included, aren't sure where to start with a new endeavor. Help them out by offering a downloadable checklist. You've been in their shoes and you have the experience and knowledge to share. When you base your checklist on your own processes, you offer people an inside look at your creative process and experience. This gives your lead magnet even more credibility and value. To create a downloadable checklist, you have a few options. Use one of Canva's many checklist templates, then download it as a PDF. Convert a Word or Google Doc into a PDF. Or use our digital download generator, which automatically generates a PDF for you. Checklists aren't the only type of list that make for a quick, easy, and effective lead magnet, which brings us to our next idea. Lead magnet idea number 3. Whip up a list of your favorite things. What are a few of your favorite things? Raindrops on roses? Whiskers on kittens? Come on, who doesn't like whiskers on kittens? For real though, turn a list of your favorite books, tools, or podcasts into a downloadable freebie. Like a checklist, these lists give your audience an inside look into who you are or things that inspire you. Now on to our next lead magnet idea. Lead magnet idea number 4. Make a helpful infographic. I know you're skeptical about being able to make an infographic in less than 90 minutes, but hear me out. Tools like Canva and Venngage have made it easier than ever to whip up a quick, high-quality infographic, even with no graphic design skills. Both tools have tons of templates available for every type of data visualization. You can speed up the process by sourcing your existing content, especially if you've got a blog article or an ebook that references a lot of stats. To promote your infographic, show a cropped preview on social media and your landing page to entice people to join your email list for the full thing. Last but not least, let's move on to our final type of speedy lead magnet. Lead magnet idea number 5. Share one of your most useful templates. Just like your checklists and list of favorite things, sharing one of your own templates is a win-win. If you already have templates that work for you, your audience will likely find them useful as well. Examples of templates that work well include email templates, design templates for programs like Canva or Photoshop, slide deck templates, and spreadsheet templates like budgets or content calendars. Entrepreneur and marketing guru Vanessa offers free Canva templates as a lead magnet. On the landing page, she explains, These Canva templates will make designing your next opt-in, content upgrade, or worksheet in Canva so crazy easy. That's the beauty of templates for lead generation. They save time for you because they're easy to make and they save time for your leads. Podia now makes it even easier to share your lead magnet. When setting up a new email campaign, you can now attach PDFs, ebooks, templates, and more so you can deliver your lead magnet straight to your subscribers' inbox. The best lead magnets aren't the ones that take the longest to make, but the ones that offer your audience value that only you can provide. It doesn't have to take days or even hours. Just try some of the ideas in this video, and in less than 90 minutes, you can have a high-value lead magnet that will have people rushing to sign up for your newsletter. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.